Concrete blocks are an essential building material in the construction industry, providing strength,
हाँ
durability, and adaptivity. Concrete blocks are also known as
अच्छा ये
concrete
कॉमन बाथरूम
bricks, cement blocks, or cement bricks. In
अच्छा
Karnataka, India, where construction
लेकिन
activities
जेकर
are
व्यू है व्यू
booming,
बहुत बड़ा
the
मस्त
use of
रहे
cement blocks is also increasing due to their
कहते जेकर
flexibility to meet diverse structural needs, low cost, and ease of installation. In this article, we will look into different types of construction blocks in India. Solid concrete blocks are a type of concrete block used in construction.
मैंने
They are
यार लेकिन
made from a
एग्जीक्यूशन वर्क बहुत
mixture of
फास्ट होता है ना
cement, aggregates, and water. While
कहते
not all
एग्जीक्यूशन
solid
वर्क है मैन
concrete blocks are fully
एज
solid,
कम्पेयर टू
they are
नॉर्मल
more
के
solid than hollow
ब्रिक वर्क
blocks.
के कंपेयर में
Solid concrete blocks are used for projects like paving, where stability and durability are essential, and for load-bearing walls, retaining walls, and other structural applications. These solid blocks are available in different shapes and sizes, and their strength and durability make them a popular choice for modern building design and construction.